You want a MacBook. You have wanted one for years. But every time you are about to pull the trigger, the same thought stops you. What about all my Windows apps, your Excel files with custom macros, that accounting software that your business runs on, that one CAD app your engineering degree requires, the Visual Studio setup you have spent years configuring, so you stay on Windows. Year after year, you don't switch. While everyone else enjoys their Macs, you are stuck because of 3 or 4 apps. But in the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna show you why that excuse no longer exists in 2026. I've been using Parallel Desktop for years. Yes, this video is sponsored by Parallels, but stick with me. Because if you are in this exact situation, this is going to save you a lot of money and a lot of doubt. Here's the reality. Apple's hardware in 2026 is generally better than anything in Windows world. Battery life, nothing else touches. Performance per watt, that's frankly unfair. And the best part, that ecosystem advantage that if you have an iPhone, well, you will enjoy. But macOS doesn't run Windows apps. Also, switching means risking your productivity, your business workflow, or even your studies. That's where Parallels Desktop comes in. It has been solving this problem for 20 years now. Over 7 million installs, 2 million active users, and more than 50,000 businesses rely on it. So let me show you how it works. Parallels Desktop is a virtualization app for Mac. In plain English, it runs a complete, fully functional Windows 11 inside macOS. Same time, no rebooting, no second laptop. And this isn't some workaround. Parallels Desktop is the only solution officially authorized by Microsoft to run Windows on Apple Silicon. If you have any M-series Mac, this is a legitimate way to support it. Setup is generally one click. You open Parallels, click Install Windows, and the app handles everything. Under 15 minutes and you are running Windows 11 on your Mac. That's it. Now the features that actually matter for your daily life. Coherence mode. This is the moment most people get it. Instead of Windows running in a separate window, your Windows apps appear directly on your Mac desktop. Along Safari, Notes, Mail. No virtual machine UI. No Windows taskbar. Just the app you need, exactly where you need it. You stop feeling like you are using 2 computers. You are just using a Mac that happens to run every app you needed. Performance on Apple Silicon is generally strong. Parallels is built specifically for M-series chips and certified by ARM, the architecture creators of Apple Silicon. For productivity workloads like Excel, Outlook, accounting software, databases, Visual-based Studio, you won't feel a difference compared to running natively on a PC. For more demanding work, the Pro Edition gives you up to 128 of virtual RAM and 32 GB of virtual CPU. That covers professional engineering, CAD, large databases, and serious development workflows. Version 26 also fixed real problems that used to frustrate users. Excel dropouts now work properly in coherence mode. Outlook crashes after Exchange setup solved. Windows 11 installs completely reliably, and disk space visually between Mac and Windows VM is now accurate, which prevents the kind of freezes that used to interrupt your workflow during large installs. For business users specifically, Parallels Desktop 26 brings SOC 2, Type 2 compliance. Centralized VM policy control through the Enterprise Manager portal, JFM integration for Windows updates management, and SSO with single application mode. That last one is interesting. Your team clicks a Windows app icon in the macOS dock, signs into their corporate identity, and the app launches in coherence mode. They never see the VM, they never see Windows, just the app. So let me get specific about who actually benefits. If you're about to switch from Windows to Mac, this is your insurance policy. You give up nothing, keep up full Windows workflow while you adapt to macOS at your own pace. If you're a professional in business or productivity, Microsoft Access, Project Studio, Power BI, QuickBooks, Sage, Quicken, custom enterprise tools, all of these run on your Mac without compromise. No more, I can't switch because of this app. If you work in engineering, architecture, or design, SolidWorks, Revit, AutoCAD full version, Civil in 3D, Inventor, the full Autodesk and engineering stack runs on Apple Silicon through Parallels Desktop with DirectX 11 support. If you are a developer, Visual Studio, Enterprise, SQL servers, Net Framework, WSL2 inside Windows inside Mac, Snapshots let you save VM states and roll back instantly whenever testing breaks some things. The Pro Edition also includes a VS Code installation with Copilot integration that controls VMs through natural language. If you run IT for a business, the Enterprise Edition gives you policy controls, conflict-aware development, GEMF integration, and the DevOps service to manage VMs at scale. There are two versions to know about. Standard Edition, built for everyday users running Windows apps on Mac. My recommendation for most users, and covers most of use cases. While Pro Edition, it covers way more things, like more RAM, more CPUs, the AI package, DevOps services, code extension, priority 24/7 support. If you're a developer, professional, power user, this is the one for you. I have an affiliate link in the description down below. Right now, there's a promo running up to 45% off. Link will be in the description. To finish off, let me tell you guys, I've been using Parallels for years. I'm an engineering student. I'm finishing currently now. This is my last year, but I've been running Parallels Desktop for like 6 years now. And this has saved my course, because without it, I could have not used Windows apps, engineering software that my engineering course requires. While my Mac is perfect for YouTube, so I would have to have bought 2 computers. Right now, I only need to use my Mac. And here's the bottom line. If you have been holding off on switching to a Mac because of Windows apps, you no longer have a reason. Parallels Desktop is fast, stable, officially authorized by Microsoft, and the version 26 update makes it more reliable than any point in its 20-year history. You can keep up your hardware preference on your software workflow. Both. That used to be impossible. So, link will be in the description, 45% off right now. Thank you guys for watching. Drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.